Good morning, everyone. So I'm up pretty early. I mean, it's about to be 8, but I was up already. And today is a couple of things. Today I have my friend's bridal, what is this called? It's like a bridal event. And I have to go pick up a rental car because my husband is going to Connecticut with the car. So I'm gonna need a car for the day. And also my best friend, she's having a surprise birthday picnic. So I have a lot of crap to do today. So right now I'm making rice. And I wanted to show you guys how I do that. Alright, I'm just gonna let you guys know exactly the things that I use. So this is Haitian green seasoning. It's like blended seasoning, like garlic, celery, cilantro, like stuff like that. I have my black eyed peas. I have scotch bonnet peppers. I have my chicken seasoning. Salt. I have my salt, oregano, garlic powder. I have tomato paste, spinach cuts. I chopped up some onions and some garlic. Also, I have my parboiled rice. And let's get to cooking. Alright, so I am also making oatmeal for the kids. Alright, if your pot is not black like this, that means you don't cook. Your stove is dirty, you're nasty, which is, I'm nasty because my stove is dirty. Anyway, so let's start off, right? So, got my olive oil here. I did not put my stove on yet. And I'm putting, what is this, 2 tablespoons? Put my stove on medium high-ish. Let me take my heat off. So I am going to start off with putting some garlic and seasoning. Okay, so right now I'm cooking the onions, the green seasoning, and the garlic. I'm gonna open up my spinach. And I'm only gonna put one because I was gonna make 2 of them. Alright, so when this starts defrosting, right, you want to start seasoning it. Also, as this is going, I'm going to strain my beans and wash it off. Should be melting up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning it, even though it's not fully melted. So this is my garlic powder. I put a generous amount because you're gonna put water, right? Oregano, seasoned salt, well, just put my tomato paste in. And after you do that, you come in with your black eyed peas. This is called Maggie. Put my rice in, 1 cup. Are you done? Now you need coconut milk. I don't think I said that earlier. Coconut milk. And then I like to taste the sauce just to see if it's going to be enough seasoning. Okay guys, let me get this on. Alright, so we are in an Uber. Headed to go pick up a car. I was over here. Say hi to the vlog.
Yo, right?
Look at the back.
Oh, that's so dope.
Look at the front. Oh, and I catch them on.
Oh, and you're wearing red. Look how ironic. How?
Get her fucked up.
All right, so we're setting up. We got same penis forever.
She just noticed that right now. That piece right there, it has my announcement plus the date that we start dating. Just all I need to do is give me a nicely cool picture right here. He didn't. So the thing was, he didn't want the date. He's like, I don't want their internet.
All right, guys, so this is the rice. I didn't get to show you. You can't really see it because it's plastic wrapped. And then Kamaya made some BBQ, Gunny. Yo, I'm ready to have some of that.
I want you to park that Big Mac truck right in this little bit of ride.
She's so nasty. Oh my god.
I was trying anything to drink. I'll be like, John, I'll no.
She's trying so hard not to look at the video. Go ahead, fish too. Okay. Okay. I swear to God. Someone's being shady. Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper. I changed outfits only because I'm going somewhere else. Okay? Not because I want to. Guys, I am freaking out right now because I'm supposed to go pick up my best friend, so my outfit has changed. She wants us to all wear brown. This is what she wants. It's still supposed to be a surprise, but I already know she knows. But I still gotta act somewhat dumb. Bitch, I know you know. Excuse my language. I know you already know, Nadia, but we still have to go along with it. But basically, I have to figure out how I'm gonna do it because the birthday party is at her best friend's house because she has like 10 freaking best friends. It's at her best friend's house, but the problem is that all the cars are parked in her parking lot. So, I mean, you know what I mean. So they want me to get a covering for her eyes and be like, oh, best friend number 2, well, number 1 actually. Best friend number 1 doesn't want you to see the design and whatever, the what is it, the decorations. So I'm gonna have to cover your face from now till then. How does that make any sense? Guys, make it make sense. Make it make sense, please. Don't cry. Wow. You guys did. That was good. That was good. That Right? I'm over it. I'm done. That's it. Okay? I say, you know I'm not normal. Where my trinket? Where my trinket? Hey guys, I'm on the run. I need my mask. I am heading to Jurassic Park with my kids. They don't know that they're going. Obviously, you guys can't see me because this damn camera never follows me. They don't know where we're going. We're supposed to be there for 3 p.m. but someone flaked on us. But it's okay. We'll get over that. My dad decided to bring us. So hopefully we get in. Hopefully. I don't know. We'll see how that goes again. There's my bestie. The Bayang. Not the Bayang. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, he really has a plastic thing going. Thank you to Shorty.
Thank you.
He's saving our lives.
Mommy, I'm already sweating.
Oh, you need the address. We're in the car.
Shorty
Say hey guys.
Hi.
Zaddy, question. I was gonna ask you if I connect my phone to your car because I need the sound effect for what we're about to do.
Now what? Now, real dinosaurs are not real anymore because.
Hey there!
Milk.
Is this thing working? This is diypicnicsetup. Here's one of the guys to Jurassic. Let's drive through safari.
Because it lived at the dawn of the age of dinosaurs. Eoraptor made its home in what is now Argentina about 200
Yeah.
What are those?
Extinction.
Ammonites.
Here,
Oh,
whose
that's a
back,
Stegosaurus.
neck, and tail were covered in. This happens in bones when a person or an animal is using force to move heavy weight with their bodies.
We're starting off in what is now England during the early Cretaceous. A light creature. The animal it's next to is Baryonyx. Baryonyx was a carnivore and specifically.
Our journey now takes us to the continent of Africa in the early Cretaceous period. Spinosaurus is a creature that was a mystery for a long time. Its fossils were discovered in 1912.
Ours take their sunny side up
Okay,
every
Nate.
morning for breakfast.
Oh, he's saying it play.
When they recreated blowing air through their tubes, they discovered that the crest would have made a horn sound. Manuscript here.
small plane. Standing like it is here, it was the height of a giraffe. But what was? Because its skull looked a lot like the skull of a dragon. The powerful bite was the only trick the T-Rex had on its very short sleeve. It also had something called a
Look at the eyes, guys. Look at the eyes.
let's get out of here before
eyes
the
are
other Rex
moving.
picks up our
Ew.
On to the next area.